Hey, what's up, Harmony holder? So what's going on? This video is especially very urgent for Harmony holder, and this is one big reason, my friend. Very good news for Harmony holder because Harmony is starting moving up. So congratulations, my friend. This time the Harmony change occur and positive from plus 5.95% they got up. Congratulations. But the previous days you can see here on the first days absolutely very badly falls down, my friend. Therefore, a lot of holders tell me to Harmony going very slowly, but falls down completely, my friend. So Harmony, this is good news. A Harmony holder today are starting moving up like a rocket. You can see here in the last 1 hour plus 2.75% change occur, my friend. So this is very highest change occur, my friend, and the price is increased now 0.10 USD dollar, my friend. They gone very fastly up, my friend. This time you can see here they take a very high jump, my friend, and they gone straight again. You can see here, but they again ready for the jump, my friend. So congratulations, this is the last 1 hour change occur, and I hope, my friend, if they're moving like this exactly, they can cross it half US dollar at the end of this month, at the end of this, my friend. So what you say, can they can hit it? Yes, this is good news for everyone. And yes, my friends, the giveaway is coming soon, so kindly don't miss. Complete my 10,000 subscribe, click the subscribe button. This channel guide you, update you every time, my friend. So you just click the red button and subscribe this channel and press bell icon for videos notification. Okay, my friend, you can see here this time they again fails down, my friend. And the last 1 hour you can see here absolutely they fails down, my friend. But after that absolutely they starting moving again. So I hope after a fail, my friend, after a fails they take a very high jump, and absolutely all cryptocurrency moving like that. To after a fails they take a jump, and after a jump they take again fails down, my friend. So this is the moving style, my friend. So Harmony holder, congratulations, Harmony has gone moving starting upward. Absolutely, definitely they give you very good profit. So don't sell it, hold it, and wait for the end of this month. I hope they give you a good profit, they make you millionaire. So thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz, take care.